Hello everyone, I'm Lieutenant Ward, EMS Supervisor on C Shift. Today we're going to make a video to go over the BLS Nebulizer treatment that's going to go live here in a very short period of time. What you're going to have is this kit. This kit's going to be on every single ambulance. It's going to be yellow, zippered, just like this one. Within the kit, you're going to have two nebulizer treatment kits in themselves. They're both identical. There's no difference in either one. You're only going to need to use one every time you give a neb. Also within the kit, you will have this blue bag that's going to have 4 albuterol bullets in it. And I will show you what those look like. Each one of these is 1 albuterol bullet, and every time you give a neb treatment, you're going to only need to use one of them. In order to put this neb treatment together, you're going to open up one of these packages. There's several pieces that come in every package. You'll have this tube piece, the T portion, the duck bill, the nebulizer dispenser, and some oxygen tubing. One thing with the oxygen tubing, one end has a blue end, one end is green. In order to put this together, you're first going to start with this piece. This unscrews from the top, and this is where you're going to put your albuterol. In order to do these albuterol bullets, the top, there is an A. The bottom also has the expiration date. This A piece you're going to just twist, and the top comes off, and you're going to put this whole bullet into the dispenser until the bullet is empty. That's just going to go in the trash. You're going to put the top back on in a screwing motion, and that's done. From here, you're going to assemble the rest of it. This T portion is kind of the main hub part. This duckbill portion will go on one end. We're going to use these HEPA filters as well. The HEPA filter will go on this part. And then the last part is going to be the exhalation tube here. Once this is all together, as you can see, the bottom of this container is blue. So we'll take our blue end of our oxygen tubing, place it into the bottom of the container. And again, it's kind of important to keep this container relatively up and down. That way the albuterol doesn't spill out. You're going to take the other end of your oxygen tubing, which is green, and you're going to plug it into your oxygen port, either on your portable oxygen tank, or it's going to work the same way within the ambulance. From there, we're going to set our regulator to either 6 liters a minute or 8. It doesn't matter, but it has to be 6 or 8, or somewhere in between. For the most part, we have these oxygen regulators which have 6 and 8. If you have one of the little tree ones within the ambulance that has the ball within it, just make sure it's somewhere between 6 and 8. Once you get this started, you'll hear it make kind of a hiss sound, and you can see the medication coming out of this duckbill. You will explain to the patient that this duckbill is going to go into their mouth. They'll wrap their lips around it, and they will breathe as normally as they possibly can. The goal, obviously, is to get the medication in and as deep into their lungs as possible. If they're making shallow breaths, try to encourage them to take as deep breaths as possible. And while they're actually breathing on this, it will go into their lungs, and then when they exhale, you will see it, a little bit of that mist come out of the end of this tube. That's totally fine. The goal of this tube here is obviously to keep as much medication within the system, if you will. That way it's not necessarily just wasted out of the end. That is basically all you're going to need to do for your albuterol neb treatment. Again, once you have it all hooked up, 6 to 8 liters on your oxygen bottle, and they're going to wrap their lips right around this duckbill. If you have any questions, contact your on-duty EMS supervisor and they can review it further with you.